Okay, I got my strong fit sandbags in, and I'm going to do a little review on them real quick. I have never personally owned Iron Mind bags, but I've used them plenty of times. And you know, one of the things that they talk about is that these are triple stitched, and the stitching is noticeably thicker and looks to be overall heavier thread. You know, it's pretty much the same heavy duty material that Iron Mind uses, so you know, you're not going to get sand leaking out of it or anything. The seams are solid, so you're not going to get any sand being pushed out of there. Now, what's really neat is that these are different size bags. That one is a 200-pound sandbag that I haven't closed yet, and this is actually supposed to be a 140, and to make it a little lighter, for a female client that I have, I've got about 120 pounds of sand in here. Still plenty of manageable room, and I think I actually kind of messed this up by not pushing it down a little further, but the method that they suggest to secure the bag with is just pure genius. The 2-inch metal ring put around the bag with the tennis ball inside, and then the zip ties on top. And then of course you would tape these. I just forgot to pick up Gorilla Tape today, so I was kind of excited. I wanted to hurry up and get these done. I messed around with it. I've been loading it stone over barn. I did a couple of presses with it, dropping it from full height, and no leaking sand, obviously no wear and tear yet, but I don't expect there to be much. These things are solid, and you know, it's just, you're talking about one of the most versatile things you can do. You can press it, you can load it over bar, you can do carries with it. I've actually got a contest coming up where we're going to deadlift a sandbag. So, you know, I would definitely look into these when you're looking at getting sandbags next time, because these are different bag sizes. You know, I underloaded this one by 20 pounds, and I still don't have a lot of excess here. And then even on the 200-pounder, by the time I get this cinched down and everything, which this is I probably need to put about 20 more pounds of sand in here, but I'm not going to have a bunch of excess. It's not going to be way underfilled to the point that it just looks silly when you're trying to use it, or that the excess gets in your way, like I've noticed on some of the lighter Iron Mind bags. But you know, like I said, this is pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. Put the sand in the bag, close it off. They've got the video up on how to close it off, their method that they use, and that's absolutely just genius. Like, that literally took me about 2 minutes to do. Like I said, dropping it, pressing it, dropping it, kind of throwing it down just to see if I could make it lose some sand. Never lost any. So definitely recommend them. Check it out, Strong Fit Sandbags, and thanks.